Hello friends, so today we are going to solve a beautiful questions. Okay, this question was asked in UPSC 2017. Okay, so what is the question? Let's see what is the question here. It said that find the differential equation representing all the circle. See, they're saying all the circle in the xy plane. They're asking all the circle. They're not saying only one circle. All the circle which is representing in the xy plane. What do you mean by this? Because we have to know the questions, because sometimes because like when they ask, if they ask in this way, let's say find a example. Let's say find a differential equation, find a differential equations representing the circle where r means the radius is fixed in the xy plane. See, you might be thinking that this question is same. No, this question is not same. Why? Because I'll tell you by giving a drawing. Okay, like giving a diagram here. Okay, let's say this is the I'm talking for this. Okay, I'm talking for the first questions. Let's say like, see, like circle can be anything, right? It can be small or big, or small or big, or small or maybe big. So it can be different like circle, right? So according to the different circles, the radius, this is radius 1, this is radius 2, this is radius 3, this is radius 4, this is radius 5, this is radius 6. So all these radius 1, radius 2, radius 3, radius 4, so like example many. Okay, these are not same because the length of the radius is not same. Okay, so even the center is also not same. Okay, so but when I going to solve these questions, I'm going to represent all the circles, and that's how I'm going to find differential equation which represent all the circles. Okay, but let's see something again. When I see the second questions, that find a differential equations representing the circle where r radius is fixed in the xy planes. What is the meaning of this? Okay, so I'll be, so let's say this is the xy plane, this is the xy plane. Okay, this is the xy plane. So here, let's say I'll take a this is a fix, this is the fix, this is only r. Okay, it's a fix. Sorry, this is the radius. So if this radius form a circle, okay, this radius form a circle, and we have a center. So we have this same circle, same size, same circle, in different area. It can be here, or it can be here, or it can be here. But yeah, my drawing might not be the same, but the radius, okay, the radius here, the radius here also r, here also r, here also r, means they have the same radius, but they are putting the circle in different xy plane area. Got it? So we are going to find out the differential equation of this. Yes or no? See the difference, right? Here the circle is sometimes big, sometimes small, but here the circle is same. So according to the questions, we are going to solve the different questions. Yes or no? So when you are going to find out why I'm checking for this, because here it's going to represent the same. This is the equation, right? This is the equation will be the same. Here also, a square plus y minus b r square. Okay, where a is center, where is a is center, and the r is radius. Here also a minus b, so ab is the center and the r is the radius. Same here also. But when I'm going to check the parameters, there's something called parameters. According to the parameters, we differentiate parameters. Okay, so we are going to check how many numbers, means how many numbers, we're going to check how many parameters are there. Here we have a, b, r. That means we have 3 parameters. Here this is going already fixed. It's become a fix because according to the question, check the questions, it said that the radius is fixed, so we will not be considered as a parameter. Only a and the b will be considered. So we have only 2 parameters. So 2 parameter means we're going to differentiate twice, here thrice. Got it? So according to the parameters, we are going to differentiate. Only after that we can get the differential equations. Only after that we can get these differential equations. If there's a 3 parameters, we are going to differentiate 3 times. If there is 2 parameters, we are going to differentiate 2 times. So here in the second questions, the radius is already fixed, so only 2 parameters are there, so we are going to differentiate only 2. So why I'm saying this, because like you should know the difference what the question they are asking. Okay, so let's solve it now. Okay, so I'll be rubbing all these things and I'll be solving properly. Okay, yeah, so let's start solving. So we know that the equations, of all the circle in the xy plane, is given by x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, r square. Okay, so here where a and the b is the center, and the r is the radius. Okay, so can I say this is the first equations? Yes or no? So here, how many parameters are there? We have a and the b and r. So that means we have 3 parameters in the equation, number 1. So we are going to eliminate all these parameters. Okay, so we are going to differentiate 3 times, right? So let's start with the first derivative. So the derivative of the equations number 1. So we are going to differentiate this equation number 1. Okay, number 1. So what we will be getting, we get twice x minus a 2y minus b square dy by dx, and it's become 0. Okay, so this become here, why? Because we differentiate with respect to the x. Yes or no? That's how we got this answer. So now we can take out this 2. Okay, so here comes x minus a plus y minus b dy by dx. So can we say this is the equation number 2, right? Okay, so we are going to again so derivative of the equation number 2, we get what do we get? Let's see. So we are going to differentiate of this equation number 2. So here comes the derivative. It's become 1 plus y minus b square by dx square plus by dx whole square equal to 0. Okay, so how is coming, I'll tell you. So the derivative of this become 1 with respect to x, here we are going to differentiate. So this put here, and derivative of this become his. So when I put again this in here, so derivative of this becomes this again. So that means we become square, right? That's why I'm putting this. Okay, so I'll be putting in this form: y minus b dy by dx d square y with dx square. Okay, so it will become minus dy by dx square. Okay, so this we bring here, this also we bring here, so it becomes minus. When this 2 becomes here, it becomes minus. Got it? So what about if I put this here? Yes or no? We can put it here, right? So y minus b whole square whole, so y minus and 1 minus dy by dx whole square becomes dy square by dx square. Got it? Yes or no? So let's say this is the equation number 3. This is the equation number 3, and this is the equation number 4. Okay, so for now I'll be putting this way. Now till now, how many derivatives we have gone through? 1 and 2. 1 is left, right? 1 is left. So again, okay, so again, derivative of the equation 3 is, so we're going to differentiate these equations. Equation number 3. So what do we got? We get what? Let's see, minus b dq y dx q. Okay, and plus dx square dy by dx. In the another side, we got 2 dy by dx and d square by dx square. Okay, so now we got in this form. Yes or no? See, look how it's coming. We differentiate this first. We have 2 things here, right? So I put this here first, and I differentiate this, and here come with this, right? So I put this again here. Yes or no? And I differentiate this, and I got this. Okay, here this is a constant, so this will become 0. Here it becomes this minus, I'm putting minus here, and so I'll be putting this 2 and here. So the differential of within this, the derivative will become this. Okay, till now you understand, right? So look, this and this is same. So if I bring here, it will become plus, and this will become 3. Yes or no? So y minus b dq y dx cube. So here comes 3 dy square y dx square dy dx equal to 0. Yes or no? So let's say this is the equation number 5. We can say it's the equation number 5. Okay, so now if I put this value, if I just put this value here, yes or no, means that we are going to substitute this equation number 4 into 5. So that means when we substitute equation number 4 into equation number 5, what do we get? Let's see, what do we get? We get minus 1 minus dy dx square d square by dx square d cube y dx cube. plus 3 d square y dx square dy by dx equal to 0. Yes or no? So what about if I simplify? What about if so if I do the simplification, so this will be coming here and it will become q, and if I will be putting here, it will become 0. Yes or no? This example for you, okay? I'm writing down for you only, okay? So let's say here this becomes d square dq by dy q. So plus 3 d square y dx square dy by dx equal to 0. Yes or no? So sorry, it should be square because we simplified these equations. So can I put here? It will become 0. Yes or no? So now the answer we got -1 dy by dx square dq y dx cube plus 3 d square y dx square y dx equal to 0. Yes or no? So now what about if I convert this minus into plus, and this will become minus and this 2 will become plus? Yes or no? So I can write down in this way: 1 plus dy by dx whole square plus 3 d square y dx square whole dy by dx equal to 0. So this is the required differential equations. Required differential equations. Sorry. So this is the answer. Okay, sorry, I have to put this minus, right? Yeah. So this is the required differential equation. It's easy, right? Yes, very easy. So this is the differential equation of all the circle in the xy plane. Okay, so for now we'll finish here. Thank you.